What's up, beautiful people? How are you all doing? I hope you all are doing great. It's your girl Jennifer, and you are highly welcome back to my channel. To my returnees, thank you for always coming back to watch my video, and to my new subscribers, thank you for subscribing to this channel. Please, if you're seeing this channel for the first time, why not consider to subscribe to join the family and turn on the notification bell so whenever I upload any new video, you'll be the first to be notified. Thank you so much. Guys, today's video I bring to you DIY. We are going to be making almond sugar body scrub. Guys, almond sugar body scrub is very good for the skin, to exfoliate your skin. So if you want to see how I achieve this, keep watching. Thank you. Okay guys, I'm going to be showing you guys how you can make your almond body scrub, guys. So let me take you to the process. What I'm going to be using, I'm going to be using honey. Then we have our blended almond here. Then I'm going to be using some lemon juice. Then I'm going to be using glycerin. Then I will be using some vitamin oil. Then I'm going to be using essential oil. Then I will be using half cup of white sugar. Then I'll be using half cup of brown sugar, guys. And I have my container. I will be putting it here. So I have my olive oil. I have my 1 cup of olive oil here. So guys, I'm going to be mixing my ingredients together. First, I'm going to be adding my brown sugar. Then I will add my white sugar. Then I will add some honey, guys. Just 1 spoon of honey. Okay guys, I'll be adding some lemon juice, 1 spoon of lemon juice, guys. Then I will be adding some 1 spoon of glycerin. Okay guys, then I will be adding just 2 drops of essential oil. Okay, you can skip this if you don't want to add. This is optional, the vitamin oil and the essential oil, guys. So I'll be adding like 4 drops of vitamin oil. Okay guys, I will be adding our blended almond. Okay, I'll be adding 4 spoons, guys. Okay, then I will stir everything together. You can make it thicker. I like it to be thicker, so when you are scrubbing your body, it will scrub very well. Then you mix everything together, guys. Stir together. Then very easy recipe, very easy DIY, guys. Okay, like this, you have your body scrub, your almond body scrub, sugar almond body scrub, guys. This is our sugar almond body scrub, guys. Take a good look at it. Very easy. Okay guys, this is it. Your almond sugar body scrub is ready. Okay guys, this is it. It's ready. Then you can transfer it to your container, guys, like this. Okay, ready to be used, guys. Okay guys, our sugar almond body scrub is ready, guys. Take a good look at it, ready to be used. You can add as much olive oil if you want. I like it to be like this, so when you are scrubbing, it won't be too soft, guys. Just apply it and scrub, guys. Can you see it? You can add more oil if you want to have that glowing skin, guys. Take a good look at it. Okay, you leave it for some minutes, like 10 minutes, then you rinse it away, guys. Okay guys, after rinsing, look at how it came out, guys. Just check these two together if it's the same. It's glowing. So guys, try it out. You will love it, guys. Sugar almond body scrub. Okay guys, thank you so much for watching up to this moment. I so much appreciate you all, and I hope you enjoyed the video, and I hope you will give this video a try too. Please don't give it a try, because it will be my pleasure if you try out this DIY. Almond have a lot of benefits on it, guys. If you want to have that glowing and flawless skin, try this body scrub, and to exfoliate your skin is very good, guys. So try out this almond sugar body scrub, because it will help you a lot if you want to have a glowing skin, and if you're into have that whitening skin, guys. It helps a lot. And guys, check out my video. Check out the video that is going to pop out at the end screen, where I make almond bar soap. If you want to use the complete package, guys, try it out. You will love it. It's very good to exfoliate your face, guys. So do give it a try, and let me know in the comment section what you think about this almond sugar body scrub. It will be my pleasure. To my returnees, thank you for always coming back to watch my video. Please, my amazing fan, please guys, share out this video, share it to your friends and your loved ones, because everybody needs to exfoliate their skin. Okay guys, and to my viewers, thank you for always viewing my video, and I know one day you will subscribe to this channel. Thank you so much, everyone. I really appreciate you all. Until we see in my next video. Bye bye.